Tia here with Mastering Pop, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to create a conditional split in your abandoned cart email flow so that your returning customers don't receive a coupon code again. Hey everyone, I'm Tia Jones with Mastering Pop, which is mastering profitability over popularity. I'm also the creator of the no-fail Mastering Ecom Workflow Bundle, which is a digital marketing course that's available right now. Today I'm going to show you how to create a conditional split in Klaviyo so that you're not constantly giving coupons to someone who's already bought from you. If you're like me, you're selling products that customers have to keep coming back to buy, right? So consumables, topicals, ingestibles, packaging. You definitely want to set up a conditional split in your abandoned cart email flow if you're offering 10% off to those first-time customers. But before I do this, before I show you how to do this, please click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos on digital marketing that will help you to scale your e-commerce store faster. Okay, so to make sure that returning customers who've already bought from you, right? They don't keep receiving that 10% off code because they abandon cart. They're tricking the system. They're either using a different email or they're using a different email to sign up so they can receive that 10% off, or they're adding products to cart and abandoning the cart so that they can receive that email from you. You can actually create a conditional split in Klaviyo in your abandoned cart series. I'm going to show you mine first, and then here's a test that I created specifically to show you guys how to do it. So here we go, boom. All right, so in your abandoned cart, typically you only have two abandoned carts set up, right? I've mentioned to you guys many times, people in my Facebook group, you can set up more than two. I have three, right? So I have this one, the subject is everything okay. The second one, it's time, go ahead and take 10% off. Third one, 10% off coupon will expire in 1 hour. So I have three, and they get the first one after 1 hour. They get this, and then after 1 day, they get this, the 10% off. So, but as you can see, I have a conditional split right here. So for someone to get the 10% off, they need to have never purchased with me before, right? That's the only way they're going to go down this path. Now, if they've purchased from me before, they're going to go down this path, which means they're not getting 10% off with either abandoned carts, not the second or the third. So you can see the difference. There's 10% off here, but not here. There's 10% off here, but not here. So, and I also limited it to people that have purchased in my, people that have purchased packaging. So basically I'm saying if they purchased packaging before, then I'm not giving them 10% off if they're buying again, if they abandon cart. It's not happening. Now, if they purchase anything outside of packaging, then they can probably get it. They'll get it. They'll get this 10% off. But packaging, they don't. And I may change this soon too. So this is how it looks. So let's go back and go to the test that I created to show you guys how, how Klaviyo works. It's just drag. You're dragging everything. You're dragging. So this is the test. And here is the, let's see, here's a test. This is when they start to check out. 1 hour later, they get this. And then here is a conditional split. So this was just dragged right here, right? That's it. I dragged from left to right, right? So then if I wanted to limit it to a specific collection, then I would click within the box. So what someone has done, which is placed an order, if it's 0 times, okay, then they'll continue to go down this path. Now, if I want to limit it to a specific collection, if they've already bought from a collection, then I would click this, and I would click property and collection, and then I would look for the collection that I want to use. So for me, my collection for packaging is standard, right? So now I've selected that. Now, that's set up, I would click save, right? So now it's saved. It's saved because this over here, if they've bought packaging before, then they're going to go this way. And this ended up here because I took email and I dragged it over here. That's it. All right. And to have another follow-up, I did the same thing. I dragged the email from here to here. So you're going to have to update these right here so that it makes sense for the people that have already bought from you before, right? Because these were already set up. If you have an abandoned cart set up, you've already set these up. The ones that you haven't set up are the ones you just dragged over here. So, you know, what I did, instead of dragging the email from here to here, I dragged this one. I just hit clone. I cloned it, and once it was cloned, then I moved it from under here to here so that I wouldn't have to rewrite everything. Because if you open this up right here, you'll see what this looks like. You're like starting fresh, right? You're starting fresh. You're going to have to click select a template and then create a whole new template. I didn't want to do that. I went the lazy way. So I, is this the test? Yeah, this is still the test. I went ahead and I cloned this one. So I went like this, boom, boom. And since it was here, since it was here, I dragged it here. Oh man, so let me delete this so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. I think I'm not making things up. So this is the copy. So this copy is going to be right here. And then you're just going to edit it, right? So you're going to edit it, but now that you edit it, it doesn't look like you're starting from scratch. All right, hopefully that makes sense. It should make sense. You're watching a video, so. All right, so that's really it. That is really it. And you're going to do the same thing with this. Like, instead of starting with a new one because you dragged it from over here to over here, you could clone this one. Clone it. Once it's cloned, drag it down here. That's it. That is exactly how you do it. That is how you set up a conditional split so that you're not always giving out 10% off to customers that have already purchased from you. There's so much that you can do with Klaviyo. If I had more time, I swear I would create so many videos so that you guys can see how many different types of flows you can set up. But I'm going to do my best to show you guys a few flows. I don't know how often, but I'm going to try. All right, I hope that you guys found value in this video. Again, this video was just showing you how to create a conditional split so that you're not always giving out a 10% coupon to someone who's already purchased from you. You don't want that. You want to stop the madness, and you want to create a conditional split. All right, okay, good luck with your flows.